Yeah.
Subscribe to Traveling Utah.
Perfect.
All right, we're here at Rise.
Rise is a real fun ride. We love this. Oh, here we go.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate replay sequence on Deck 3 from Pokhara. Getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Laboratorio hyperdrive. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive near Jaganidaro Nephew.
Good. Airspeed sensor.
Nephew.
Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First Order TIE Fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake them, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming
TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Oh my god.
This vessel's now under the control of the First Order. Disembark immediately.
So they've dumbed that down. That was disappointing.
Utilize either side of the hallway. Keep your units together. Don't get left behind.
That was super disappointing. That used to have so much more motion. I wonder what happened.
How many? Five. Wait here. Step to the side. How many? Two. First lieutenant, straight ahead. Five. Step back out. Wait here. All right. Unit of five, was it? Follow the center line all the way down to the end. Center line all the way down. How many?
All the way to the end.
Is that true? Excellent. We'll have you and her stand on blue, remaining three stand on red. Actually, let's do this. You will join them on blue. You two on red. How many? Three stand on gray here. How many there? Two, so four stand on red with them. They'll make room for you. Three. All three stand on orange. On the blue. Now you were instructed to stand on the colors you were assigned. I advise you to remember those same colors. They will be vital for your interrogation. For some of you, quite possibly long-term holding. Well, that was easy. Yeah, when I'll ask you, is that mom? Yes. Does mom know a lot of things? Excellent. We'll be sure to interrogate mom thoroughly. You can thank her later.
I will.
Now this door here will be your interrogation cell. You'll find the same colors inside. Orange and gray, step inside. Red and blue, proceed inside as well. Find your color. Not you, you'll stay there. Huh? Talk to them.
This is red.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Resistance are gonna get you out, alright? Follow me, here we go. Gray and orange.
Don't.
attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Pilotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
My back, throw both hands up for me, please. And then tug on that yellow tab on your right hand side.
Bless you.
Power 5 is going to be taking care of you guys. If anything goes wrong out there, that is your escape plan. Hopefully you can read that. Good luck out there. Okay, funny.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, there goes the person.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Staff and respond. Thank you.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
I should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
So I'm gonna say this: if they keep the first couple thrill parts dumbed down like that, that was super disappointing.
Like always, right?
Very disappointing. Wait.
The first couple of parts were definitely dumbed down.
If we wouldn't have wrote it when it was like full go, I'd be like, oh my god, that was so awesome! Seeing as that we've wrote it now where it's dumbed down, that was disappointing. But let's move on. See what else we can find.